In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails to a specific folder in Gmail. If your inbox feels cluttered, this quick method will help you organize messages automatically so the right emails land exactly where you want them. Start by opening Gmail and clicking any email you want to organize. At the top, click the Move to icon, then choose Create New Label. Give your label a clear, memorable name and click Create. In Gmail, labels act like folders, so this gives you a dedicated place where related emails can live together. Creating the label first makes the next part automation much easier. Now head back to your inbox and choose an email you want to label going forward. Click the three-dot menu on that message and select filter messages like these. This tells Gmail to look for similar emails, typically from the same sender or with the same characteristics. On the filter setup screen, click Create Filter to move to the action options. You'll see several choices here. Pick the ones that fit your workflow. A popular setup is to check Skip the Inbox, which archives those emails so they don't crowd your main view, and apply the label, then select the label you just created. This means matching messages will go straight into your labeled folder and stay out of the primary inbox. If you already have similar emails in your account, also check Apply Filter to Matching Conversations so Gmail applies the label to existing messages, not just new ones. When you're ready, click Create Filter to lock in your rule. To confirm everything's working, return to your inbox and click on the label you created in the left sidebar. You'll see all of your filtered emails collected there automatically. Going forward, any new message that matches your filter will appear under that label without you having to move it manually. If you ever need to adjust or remove this rule, go to Settings, then see All Settings, and open the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you can edit or delete any filter you created, which is helpful if your needs change or you want to fine-tune which messages get labeled or skip the inbox. And that's it. With a label in place and a filter doing the heavy lifting, you'll keep your inbox clean while still having quick access to the messages that matter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.